Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix problem Windows installer package in Windows 11 when trying to install a specific application or a game application here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's fix it and let's get started. The very first step is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and go with run. So the moment you click on it, you would be able to see a small window like this, where here you need to type for reg edit. The moment you've typed that, click on OK to continue. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, just proceed to yes so that you would be able to open this window called registry editor, where here you need to follow a registry path which is this. Okay, so in your case, you need to follow the registry path, or you can simply type it and paste it here at the address bar and then click on enter to proceed. Okay, once you are here at this folder called shell, you need to select it and do a right click, go with new and go with key. In this new key, you need to rename that into run as and then click on enter. Once you have renamed such and once you have created such folder, you need to proceed on the default. Just have to double tap that and you need to change the value data into install as an administrator. Okay. Once you have set that, you need to click in OK. And once you have changed the data into install as administrator, just have to click on run as. This time you need to do a right click, go with new and go with key. This time you need to rename the new key into command. And once you have renamed such, you need to click on enter to proceed. Where here you need to change the value data into this. So simply post this video so that you can copy this value data and you need to proceed on default. Just have to double tap that and then control V to paste, or you can simply type it here. Okay, so click on OK to proceed. And once you're done, simply close this window and try to install again that specific application or game that you are currently facing an error with earlier. Okay, I'm sure it will be fixed. I'm sure it will be installed this time. Okay, so those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.